In this video, I'm going to show you how to install VirtualBox on your MacBook, whether you're using an M1, M2, M3, or even an Intel chip. But here's the important part. Many people make a common mistake during installation that causes a frustrating error. So I'll guide you through the correct way to install it without running into that issue. Make sure you don't skip any steps or it might not work. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open your favorite browser and search for VirtualBox. Now click on the first link. This will take you to the official website. The URL is also in the video description. Next, click the download button. Scroll down to the section labeled Older Builds and click the link provided. Now choose the topmost version. This is usually the latest build. As you can see, this version is compatible with M1 and M2 chips, so I'll click on it since it's the right one for my device. The download will begin shortly. Once it's finished, the installation process is simple, just like installing any other software. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to install it successfully.